Folks, I've been around cars my whole life. Big V8s, elegant classics, you name it. The roar of an engine, the smell of gasoline, the thrill of shifting gears. These were the things that defined driving for generations. For many, cars weren't just machines. They were a way of life, a symbol of freedom and ingenuity. For decades, it was all about gasoline, spark, and noise. The world ran on fossil fuel, and the car industry was built around it. Massive engines, chrome, and horsepower ruled the roads. That formula gave us legends, but then something different arrived. Tesla. It wasn't just another car company, it was a bold new idea, a challenge to everything we thought we knew about cars. Electric cars weren't new, but they were slow and impractical, until Tesla reimagined them. Before Tesla, electric vehicles were more of a curiosity, often dismissed as underpowered or only for the eco-conscious few. They didn't want a glorified golf cart. They wanted a car better than gas, period. Tesla's engineers set out to prove that electric could mean excitement, performance, and style. The Roadster proved electric could be fast and fun. Suddenly, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds wasn't just for supercars, it was for electric cars too. But the real shockwave was the Model S, a luxury sedan that outran sports cars, packed a giant touchscreen, and could go hundreds of miles on a charge. It wasn't just about speed. It was about redefining what a car could be, blending technology and design in ways the world hadn't seen before. Suddenly the whole industry had to pay attention. The press, the executives, the skeptics, everyone was watching to see what Tesla would do next.